Good day. Welcome to John's Maths channel. My name is JANIS. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my page, and if you've done that, thank you very much. Alright, now let's look at this question. Now this question says 2x equal to 3y equal to 6z equal to 48. Now they say find x times y times z. So how do we do that? Let's do that. It's very simple and very easy. Now watch. Solution. Let's put our solution to the first thing. Alright, so solution. So now let's bring back the question. They gave us what? 2x equal to 3y equal to 6z and equal to 48. So what do I do here? Now if you look at this very well, 2x is this and also this and also this. Now I'll pick the value that have what? A coefficient and the one that doesn't have any coefficient. So the first value I have here is what? Let's start for the 2x. I have 2x will be equal to what? 48 is the first one I'll do. Now the second one is what? 3y equal to 48. I also solve this. Then for the third part, I also solve what? 6z equal to 48. Now these are the three values or three what equation I'm going to solve separately. Now for the 2y, so what do I 2x? So what do I do here? Very simple and very easy. I have to divide both sides by 2 to be left what with x alone. So I'm dividing this part by 2, divided by 2. So my x here is what? My x here is 24. Good. So my x is 24. 48 divided by 2 gives me 24. I've gotten the value of x. Now let's how to get the value of y. So I'm dividing both sides by 3 here by 3 and here by 3. So 48 divided by 3 is equal to what? 16. So 48 divided by 3 is equal to what? 16. Then I'm dividing this part by 6 and this part by 6. So my z is equal to what? 8. 48 divided by 6 is 8. So I've gotten my what? Value of x, value of y, and value of z. Now the question said what is what? Multiply x times y times z. That's what the question said. So therefore, my x times y times z will be equal to what? X here is what? 24. Y here is 16. And z here is what? 8. So x times y times z is equal to what? 3072. That is 24 times 16 times 8 gives me what? 3072. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed your video. Like and subscribe for more.